So let's continue on this data visualization now. Now we're going to tackle matplotlib in seaborne plots. Okay, so now we're going to compare matplotlib and seaborne, no? Python offers powerful libraries for data visualization. So this is matplotlib and seaborne, no? So matplotlib and seaborne are the two of the most powerful options for data viz. Each has a strength and weaknesses, ne? Kung when do we use matplotlib or seaborne? So let's find out. First, let's define what is matplotlib, no? It is the foundational plotting library in Python. So kani gid ang pinaka base nga plots or library, no, nga gi-provide ni Python. It's highly customizable, allows control over every aspect of the plots. So pwede na to siya i-customize accordingly. And so kung sa unsa nga type nga plot ang atong buhaton, no? When it comes to size, yung style, unsa pa na diha. So basic visualizations available na sa Matplotlib. We have line plots, bars, scatter, histogram, etc. So on the left is the sample code, no, for Matplotlib. So we're going to import the Matplotlib library, matplotlib.pyplot by convention as PLT. And then sample data, no? So list of data, no, months, January, February, March, April, and then the sales. So we have variable months and variable sales, which has 1,000, 1,500, 1,200, and 1,300. So for it to be plotted, yun lang siya, no, creating the line plot. Medyo dagan ang yung gina-access nga attributes or functions, no? Plot months and sales, and then using the marker o no ka na yung dot this one. So title, monthly sales. Ang iyang label sa iyang x-axis is the month. Ini, the month. And then label sa iyang y-axis, x label, y label is the sales in dollars. NPLT grid, and grid lines. Ini. Set to true and then show the PLT that show the line plot. So this is the code and this is the sample output. I mean, this is the output of the sample code for matplotlib. Next is we're going to look into the code for the seaborne. But first, let's define what is a seaborne, no? So we know that matplotlib is the foundational library, no? So unsa rin yung seaborne? It is built on matplotlib. So a higher level library with simpler syntax. So on top of the matplotlib, there is a seaborne, wherein a higher level siyang library nga mas easier or mas dali ra or mubo ang iyang syntax. Simpler lang. So simplified syntax, easier to generate statistical plots with less code. So gamay na lang ang iyang code compared sa matplotlib. So it offers statistical visualizations such as distribution, box, violins, ano siya. Diba, these plots, nani siya yung mga statisticals like na mean, or median, or 25%, 75%, ano, of the values mo ng mga statistical visualizations, di ba? Compared to itong basic visualizations nga bar, line, default ang yung aesthetics mas attractive siya niya, polished visuals by default. But most of all, ang seaborne is it directly works with pandas data frame. So na siya integration sa kining pandas. So for data analysis, no, I think it would be an advantage to use seaborne over matplotlib in my point of view. So now we have seen the sample code for seaborne. So, mas gamay siya, di ba? Compared kanina. Again, we're going to import the matplotlib because it's the foundational library for Seaborn as well. So import Seaborn as SNS. That's the by convention, no? SNS is like ano. But you can change that one. But by convention, ano yung itong gamiton nga naming convention. So import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, sample data, sample si Seaborn na siya yung mga available nga mga dataset nga atong i-load. So you just have to use the load dataset function and then one of which is tips nga dataset. Na siya. And then ato siyang isulod sa atong data, no? So data mo ni atong adire is i-pull up niya tanan ang sulod sa tips nga dataset. Butanin sa data. And then for box plot, kanino visualization, statistical visualization sa box plot, no? Dito siya sns.boxplot wherein ang iyang mga tweaking is na sa the entire boxplot function. So x and y, si x na to is the day nga variable, ang y na to is total bill. And then atong source is si data. And then the title of our plot, ano lang to, plt.title, and then plt.show para magwas ang atong plot. So, comparison, di ba ganina, medyo kuan siya. Like, to specify the X label, the Y label, green, kani siya, month sales, kani. Medyo mas dagan-dagan ang iya dire, whereas kani siya, isa na lang kalinyahan, box plot. Okay. So, ang key difference nila is that si matplotlib na siya fine-grained control over visualizations kay dili man siya fix, no? Nga something like naka-frame siya onto something kuan. Pwede siya gid mas ma-customize siya compared sa Seaborn. It is best for basic plots and highly customized visuals. So katong imong gamiton lang mga pie, bar, sa panadiha, line, chart. So mas maayo mo matkatlib ka pero kung mag-statistics na ka, kung mas kuan na yung analysis, so it would be better to use the other one which is the Seaborn. So Seaborn is is simpler compared to Matplotlib. So simplified and user-friendly syntax. It's ideal for statistical plots and quick, attractive visuals. Works well with data frames and categorical data. Alright. Kaya na po siya kuha na ni U katong mag-difference siya nga lainon niya ang color. Ito ipagtatanaw niya later on. So Seaborn plots. Now we're going to focus now on the Seaborn. Kaya mas maggamit man nato since we're working with pandas Seaborn plots. So there are three types of plotting, no? I think we've discussed this already, no? Katong three types of data sets. It's more than three. Univariate, bivariate, multivariate, and correlation. And I forgot the other one if there is. So for plotting also, there is an equivalent plots for those types of data set. If it's univariate plots are used to analyze distribution of a single variable single lang feature. Bivariate plots are used to analyze the relationship between two variables, say the sales or the revenue sales versus the number of customers. So two variables at bivariate plots. And what else? Multivariate plots are used to analyze the relationship between more than two variables. Multivariate. So it's greater than 3. Now, we'll see the suggested or recommended plots for univariate. So that's single variable na atong gi-analyze. Isa lang ka variable. So we have 4. You could use